techniques to increase your intelligence and Stoic wisdom. The pursuit of knowledge requires curiosity, reading, and critical thinking. In this journey, we broaden our understanding of the world, develop skills, and gain insights from diverse perspectives. We must approach learning with an open mind, exploring new ideas, and without fearing to question and challenge assumptions. The quest for knowledge is not merely about acquiring information, but about expanding our understanding of ourselves and the world, providing a greater sense of purpose and meaning. This is the core of historical philosophy, seeking inner knowledge to find true wealth and harmony with the universe. As usual, I will tell you a brief story and then bring you 10 ways to improve your intelligence, reflect on it, and absorb this knowledge. But before that, check your subscription to our channel and activate the notification bell. Don't forget to leave a like and share this video so that more people can evolve. In a distant land, there lived Prospero, a merchant in a grand mansion. He was known for his extravagant lifestyle and lavish parties. However, despite all his wealth, the merchant was plagued by deep sadness and felt a void, a gap in his life. One day, he heard stories about a Stoic sage living in a remote mountain village. It was said that this sage, following Stoic principles, possessed profound knowledge, capable of imparting wisdom and happiness to those who sought it. The merchant's curiosity was piqued, and he decided to embark on a journey to the village in search of the Stoic sage. After a long and arduous journey, the merchant finally reached the modest hut of the sage. To his surprise, he discovered that the sage led a simple life, possessing very few possessions. The historical sage welcomed the merchant with open arms and invited him to sit down. The merchant then began to recount his situation, speaking of his wealth and extravagant life, but also of the emptiness and lack of purpose he felt. The sage patiently listened and declared that he could share the knowledge the merchant sought, but first, he needed to prove himself ready to receive it. Following the historical principles of self-discipline and self-control, he led the merchant to a nearby river. He asked him to fill a small clay jar with water. The merchant followed his instructions, but as he filled the jar, he noticed that the water was cloudy and filled with debris. The sage, teaching about the value of mental clarity and emotional tranquility, instructed the merchant to empty the jar and try again, but with a clean jar. The merchant did as he was told, but regardless of his efforts, he could not hold the water steadily. The historical sage explained that the knowledge he possessed was like the water in the jar. If someone approaches with a mind clouded by desires and distractions, they will not be able to receive it. If someone comes with an unstable and restless mind, they will not be able to retain it. The merchant, understanding the lessons of self-control and discernment from Stoicism, spent the following weeks in the village learning from the historical sage, practicing meditation and self-reflection. He began to let go of his attachment to material goods and the distractions that characterized his previous life. Finally, the historical sage judged the merchant ready to receive the knowledge he sought. The sage shared with him the teachings of Stoicism, a philosophy that emphasizes the importance of high virtue and inner serenity to achieve true happiness. The merchant was transformed by the Stoic wisdom he acquired. Upon returning home, he felt a new sense of purpose and inner peace. He began to lead a simpler and more fulfilling life, seeking self-knowledge and spiritual growth in accordance with Stoic principles, thus finding true inner wealth. The moral of the story in relation to intelligence within the context of Stoicism is that true intelligence should not be measured solely by the accumulation of knowledge or IQ. Instead, Stoic philosophy teaches us that intelligence is intrinsically linked to the constant pursuit of self-knowledge, emotional self-mastery, and the development of practical skills that enrich our lives and the lives of those around us. Intelligence is not only related to the ability to solve complex problems or retain information, but also to the ability to cultivate mental clarity, empathy, emotional serenity, and practical wisdom. It is through Stoic principles of self-discipline, reflection, and commitment to continuous learning that we can enhance our intelligence in all aspects of life. If on your Stoic journey, you find yourself in a situation where you feel that your intelligence is not reaching its maximum potential, understand that this is a moment of opportunity. Stoic philosophy teaches us that intellectual growth is a continuous pursuit, and it is necessary to adopt new habits and practices for intellectual power to flourish within you. Here are 10 ways in which you can increase your intelligence. 1. Regular reading. Regular reading is one of the fundamental pillars for improving intelligence. When you read, you expose your mind to new concepts, perspectives, and information. This expands your vocabulary, enhances your understanding of the world, and deepens your capacity for critical analysis. Reading fiction can develop empathy and an understanding of human complexities, while non-fiction offers opportunities for direct learning. By making reading a habit, you provide constant intellectual fuel for personal growth and improvement. Set aside 30 minutes before bedtime to read a book that interests you. This will not only promote the habit of reading, but also provide dedicated time for learning and expanding knowledge. 2. Continuous learning. The pursuit of continuous learning is an effective way to expand your intelligence. This can include enrolling in courses, workshops, or online classes, as well as actively seeking out learning opportunities in your daily life. Curiosity and a thirst for knowledge are powerful drivers of intellectual development. Sign up for an online course on a topic that intrigues you. It can be as diverse as computer programming, art history, or gastronomy. 3. Puzzle solving and brain games. Solving puzzles and engaging in mental games are targeted exercises for the brain. These activities challenge your logical reasoning, creativity, and problem-solving skills. By participating in puzzles such as chess, Sudoku, or crossword puzzles, you strengthen your cognitive abilities, which can have tangible benefits in your ability to think critically in everyday situations. Dedicate time daily to solve puzzles like Sudoku or crossword puzzles as part of your leisure routine. 4. Physical exercise. Regular physical exercise not only keeps the body healthy, but also benefits the brain. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promoting the regeneration of brain cells and improving cognitive function. Additionally, exercise releases neurotransmitters that can enhance mood and reduce stress, creating a mental environment conducive to learning and clear thinking. Commit to 30 minutes of aerobic exercise, such as running or cycling, at least 3 times a week. This will increase blood flow to the brain. 5. Meditation. Meditation is a practice that strengthens the mind by promoting concentration and mental clarity. By calming the mind and directing attention to the present moment, you reduce stress and improve your ability to process information effectively. This practice can also help cultivate patience, a valuable trait for problem solving and making well-considered decisions. Set aside 10 minutes each morning for a meditation session. This will help calm your mind and enhance your ability to focus. 6. Challenge yourself with new skills. The pursuit of new skills challenges your brain in unique ways. Exploring new domains broadens your cognitive abilities and can provide a gratifying sense of personal growth. Choose a new skill to learn, such as playing a musical instrument. Allocate regular time to practice and enhance this skill. 7. Socialization. Social interaction enriches our lives emotionally and intellectually. When interacting with others, you are challenged to understand different perspectives, practice empathy, and improve your communication skills. These social interactions stimulate critical thinking and emotional intelligence, making you better equipped to navigate complex situations and gain a better understanding of the world around you. Participate in discussion groups or book clubs and interact with different people, exposing yourself to new ideas and perspectives. 8. Healthy nutrition. Healthy eating is beneficial not only for the body, but also for the brain. Nutrient-rich foods, such as omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, can protect brain cells, promote brain health, and enhance cognitive function. Choosing a balanced diet is essential to sustain a healthy brain and an open mind. Include foods rich in omega-3 such as salmon and antioxidants such as berries in your daily diet. This will provide essential nutrients for brain health. 9. Quality sleep. Adequate sleep is crucial for effective cognitive function. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and performs cleaning processes that promote mental well-being. Maintaining a consistent sleep routine and ensuring a conducive sleep environment are essential for optimizing brain potential. Stick to a consistent sleep routine by going to bed and waking up at the same time every day. This creates a peaceful sleep environment. Avoid electronic devices before bedtime. 10. Self-knowledge and reflection. The practice of self-reflection is a valuable tool for intellectual growth. And insights into your own journey of learning and intellectual growth. According to the teachings of Stoicism, the pursuit of improved intelligence is related to the development of virtue and the enhancement of wisdom. Stoics believe that true intelligence is connected to wisdom, the ability to discern what is under our control and what is not, and the ability to live in accordance with reason. For Stoics, the goal is not just to acquire knowledge, but also to apply that knowledge to lead a virtuous and meaningful life. Therefore, the pursuit of improved intelligence is intrinsically linked to the cultivation of virtue and wisdom. If you have made it to the end, I want to thank you